Hello friends, good evening. So in today's video we'll discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for the coming week. Coming week we have lunar cycle happening, we have Venus ingress happening, two base rules are also coming. And more importantly, Mercury is making a 0 degree aspect with Uranus. So a lot of interesting things are happening. So we can see possibly a excellent move in the market. So let's start. First is with Venus ingress. Now Venus, I consider Venus ingresses are very powerful, and as you can see here, major bottoms and important turning points are on Venus ingress. So this is Venus ingress we have applied. See here, from there a good fall, almost a top and good fall. It was a perfect bottom around 16th of March and a rally. Again a bottom here. It touched this point again and then a big rally. So this is happening on 6th, means which is happening today. So sorry, tomorrow, yeah, today. So this is a very important astro event which is happening. Now let's move to the next one, which is the new moon and full moon cycle. So let me apply that. So lunar cycles are again very powerful events. Now lunar cycles with some planetary thing is happening, so it tend to give some nice moves in the market. So we have to apply 180-degree. Full moon is happening, not new moon. This is full moon. So again, this is also an important turning point. These doesn't happen so frequently. See, this was a perfect bottom caught on 5th of May, and now we are approaching this point, which is 4th of again 4th of June. So these are two important events which are happening. Next important thing is Mercury is conjuncting with Uranus. Now Uranus is very important. Mercury is very important for short-term trading, and Uranus is very important from long-term. These are called as outer planets: Jupiter, Uranus, Saturn. So this is also happening. Let me just show you how this has performed before. So this is happening again today. So again, some important events here. Last time it happened here, a short-term bottom and a good rally. This was a perfect bottom. So this event also carries. Now what is happening is full moon is happening, lunar cycle is happening, Venus ingress plus Mercury conjunct Uranus, which is outer planet. So these three things are happening on a single day. So which make sure, which gives us the predictability that we can see some really nice moves in market in the next two trading sessions. Now, why is that? Because if I go to the Bank Nifty chart, and if you see, yesterday we have formed an inside bar pattern on last Friday. So, the market rallied, it came down. So it is an inside bar pattern. Inside bar pattern generally suggests that we can see some really nice moves in the market. So last time inside bar happened here, and this was a kind of a bottom and a good. So price action wise, also we are seeing some nice moves. And see here, two NR7s have been formed in Bank Nifty on a weekly time frame. Nothing has happened this week, so 3 weeks have gone by. So probably we can see some again some it is the price is compressing, so we can see a price expansion on that side also. So, and if I look at moving averages, so like Bank Nifty is back to its 20-day moving average. See here, it is holding this line. It has never breached this line from 29th of March, and it is the third time it is holding. This time if it breaks 43,815, you can see a kind of good fall, and if it is held, then we can see and rally on upside. Why the high which has it has formed is also very important, because see, this is musical octave 44,464. It made a double top here and it has fallen down. And if I look at the monthly chart, 44,155, 151 was your uh, last high formed in December. And now can always say within 6 months another high is formed, then again it can be a kind of a double bottom. See, the close was 44,128 on a monthly chart, so it is a kind of double top also. So if this is not breached quite frequently, we can see a decent pullback in the market. The first support will be, I mean, it should not break if that uptrend has to go 42 582. Remember this point. This is a very important point. I mean, level which needs to be watched out. The market should not make a lower low. So now the trend on monthly is on upside, on day on weekly is on upside. So trend is definitely on upside, but this is how uptrend becomes downtrend, and downtrend becomes uptrend. So we have to be very watchful about it. We cannot just go by the news and the events which are happening across us. Now let's quickly look at the supply and demand chart of also Bank Nifty. So again, it is again trendline support which is near 20-day moving average. So if this is breach, like I've told you, 43,815, then 43,390 is first level. And if this is breach, then 43,000 and 42,603. And if I look at these patterns, so this is again a bullish pattern. The bullish pattern is continuing till 43,000 is held, then 45,000, 45,500 can be reached. Weekly, nothing much. It's above the resistance zone, and monthly levels, nothing much. This is just the first week. Now let's move to Nifty. Nifty, first thing is last time, previous week it was showing an uptrend. Now this high, it has formed an ABCD pattern. So the first support is at 18,439. If this is breach, then 18,100. On a weekly chart, we are just at the resistance zone. If last week low is broken, then we can see some good decline in the market. So this week's low and the last week high was almost same. So the uptrend is intact, but we have to be open for the possibilities, right? So yeah, so this is on the simple price action. Now let me quickly show you on the supply and demand chart. Price is exactly at the support zones of 18,420 is breached, then this time will fall till 18,202, and this is held, then first move towards 18 above 18,600, 18,697, 18,735, and 888, the all-time high of the Nifty. And let's quickly look at Nifty has also formed an inside bar. So price is also suggesting it's looking for an expansion because multiple astro dates are coming. So if I go to here, inside bar, the targets, the levels, you can note down these levels. And on weekly, nothing much has happened. Weekly we have formed an NR7 pattern, see here. So weekly a perfect NR7 pattern. So last week high was 18,662. Above this it's bullish, and this week's low is 18,464. Whichever level is breached, you will easily see a at least 200 points movement in Nifty. So if 464 is broken, then we are heading towards 18,200 to 250, and 18,662 is broken, then we are heading towards the all-time high, right? So yeah, and now quickly look at the neural forecast also. So this is what it is showing for Bank Nifty, that we can see a slide in the Bank Nifty now till 7th. Now again, like I told you many times, this is not a holy grail. What SGX is showing, that we can see a gap up opening, but this is what neural is showing. Let's see what happens, which side the market moves. And even for Nifty, it is showing that we can see a decline, then a kind of a consolidation, a small rally till 9th. This is what it is showing currently. Let's see what market has in store. And now let's quickly look at the levels which I'm watching out for on a weekly time frame. Yes, so let me quickly show you the so for Nifty, 18,594 will be my trend chain level, or 610. On downside, first support is at 525, then 457 and 389 and 320. And on upside, the first above 18,600, 668, 736, 18,804 and 18,872. This is for Nifty trend chain level, and for the weekly forecast. And now let's quickly go to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, what it is showing is below 43,806, we can see a fall till 43,598, 43,390, 43,000 and 42, 729. And on upside, above 44,015, we can see a rally towards 42,222, 44,431 and 44,640. So we have discussed neural forecasts, important astro dates which are coming. So let's see what market has in store. Stay disciplined, and hopefully we should get a good trending move in the next week. Thank you.